What's up guys, I'm Najee and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do my everyday makeup routine. I noticed lately when I've been rushing or I'm just trying to do something quick that I always end up doing the same thing, but I do it efficiently. Efficiently? I do it better. It's good now. I'm like, this is my everyday, this is what I do step by step. So I decided to make a video on what I do and how I do it. It's like a bronze type of vibe. I love simple colors. I love like nudes for my skin tone. All of that is what I do daily. I've kind of just perfected my craft, you know. I perfected this look. So this is my go-to. So I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up down below. Also, if you guys enjoy and like my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. I'm currently on vacation and a family vacation vlog is coming soon. So if you guys are interested in watching me and my family go on our first family vacation, it's so much fun. Yeah, that's coming soon. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. I mean, hello, we good over here. Also, this wig, it's bomb. Yes, if I find out what kind of hair this is, I'll leave it down below. Don't worry, I'll leave it down below. This wig's everything. All right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get right into it. So first I'm going to work on my brows, and it's pretty quick how I do my brows. I just fill them in and then go back over it with some concealer to like clean them up. I'm going to take my foundation. I use Fenty Beauty in the color 450, and you know, I'm just going to blend that all over. And so a little trick I've been doing lately is going ahead with my lashes before I do anything else. This saves me so much time. So now I'm going to go in with my concealer, and for my everyday I try not to use too much concealer. Next step, of course, is the contour, and I'm contouring my nose, and then I'm going to contour my cheekbones and underneath my chin. Then I'm going to take a dense brush and blend it all the way out, and then to really get it snatched and popping, I'm going to be using some setting powder, and I'm going to put it under my eyes. Basically everywhere that I put my highlight, my concealer, I'm going to be applying this powder, translucent powder. So what I like to do is take a big fluffy brush and just clean up the areas where I put the powder, where there's too much. Next, I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and I take these like two burgundy colors and put them together. And I love this color on me. It's my favorite color to wear on my eyelids, and I'm just putting it right into my crease. Next, it's time to take off my bake. I always start with like a nice mist, and then the setting powder, that's my skin tone. I always use a setting powder that's closer to my skin tone to remove my bake, because if I don't, I'm going to always end up looking ashy by just trying to take it off the regular way. So I always go over it with a nice powder, and I'm going to, you know, clean up my nose contour. I always do my nose contour last, and then I'm going to spray that mist and go back over it all over my face with that brown setting powder. Next is some blush, and I'm just going to be taking a burgundy blush that matches my eyeshadow sort of, and I'm just going to put that on my cheeks. And I also like to put that on the sides of my nose, eyeshadow, and put it on my bottom lid. Now it's time for highlight, and I like to highlight the inner corners of my eye. I always do this, and I put it down the bridge of my nose, like to my cheekbones and my cupid's bow, and then I put highlight literally everywhere underneath my eyebrows, on the sides of my forehead, everywhere. And then I'm going to be taking my lipstick, my NYX, and of course some beauty supply store lip gloss to, you know, get your lips popping how it should be. And then that's it. Now for the hair. I love this hair so much. I'm going to link it down below where I got this hair from, and I just like to spray it with water and then go in with some leave-in conditioner and just, you know, finger comb it and make it pop, make the curls bounce. I love this wig so much, and I've already applied the glue to my edges. I don't glue my wig down, I just apply some to my edges. And I'm just taking some more water, and that's it. Your girl. so that's the end of this video. If you guys liked this, don't forget to go down below and give a big thumbs up. Also, if you guys enjoyed my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. And if you guys aren't following me on my Instagram, I'll link that as well, and I'll put it right here. Hit that follow button. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. It's me, Shay. Ooh. Toodles. Thank you.